Hello guys, welcome to the first part of PCB designing tutorial using EasyEda. This is a very simple software to use and PCBs are very easy to design on them. So let's start with what is a PCB. So basically a PCB is nothing but what you see in the image here is a PCB and it has two copper layers, one on the top, one on the bottom. Those are double layered PCBs. There are also single layered PCBs are also there which only have on one side. The copper is on one side. Then this copper is removed and only those thin tracks of wires are left. Now we need to design a file that tells, okay, here are the traces of the coppers and here are the holes you need to drill in it. So there are holes that need to be drilled. Now PCBs can be homemade using etching simple process or you can get them commercially from many suppliers such as JLC, PCB, PCB, many are there. So yeah, anyway works and this is a basic PCB. So it has copper layer on one side or two sides. Copper layer is removed from the one side using techniques. A mask is put on it and that's it. Okay, the copper layer is removed but yeah, traces are left. So now go on to your PC.
So before creating an PCB, we need to create a schematic, and for creating a schematic as well as PCB, we need to use a software named as EasyEda for this tutorial. You can use many other software such as Proteus, Eagle, and many others. But EasyEda is a free and online tool to use. So simply go on easyeda.com to download the software, or you can even use it online. So either way you like, but I will download it at it just makes everything easier. So choose your platform. For me, it's Windows 64-bit, and for most of you, I guess it would be 64-bit only. So okay, this is installed now. Open this file. It will be basically an exe file. Just follow the process shown. It might ask you for permission, so just allow all, and you can download it anywhere, leaving it to its like preset location is also absolutely fine. It will take some time to download, no problems. Let it do its work. So that has downloaded. Now you will see this kind of a window. After that, you can just skip the tutorial, and the first step will be to register yourself. So now I have already registered myself, but it's pretty easy. You can do the job function as a student or hobbyist, or depending on who is seeing this video. I already have an account, so I will instead sign in or log in. If you go from here, I'll quickly enter my credentials. By the way, this is only my email ID if you need to contact me for anything or have any doubts. Don't forget to fill this CAPTCHA form. So, okay, I know it's way boring, but okay, you have to fill it in order to verify whether you are human or not. Once done, just click on this login button. So I have now logged in with my account, and so let me give you a quick layout of the EasyEda, like quick guide. So this is a user center personal space, and here you can log out. Now here you can search for your projects or tutorials, anything. This is a file option. You can create a project or open an project if kept. This is document recovery, recycling, etc. These are simple settings according to your keyboard and mouse. You can check, and this is help. Now these are the projects. So you can see I have like built a couple of them, and then this is the elib. So this is the library of components that are already present in the EasyEda. These are all the component symbols. Very common one. This is for resistor, ground, VCC, capacitors, headers, connectors, switches, diodes, LEDs. These are like the graphical representation like LCD screens and all. Next, you have your library. So it contains literally millions of parts. You can search them by now. LCSC is an like a component retailer seller. If you buy the PCBs from JLC PCB, then you can use LCSC services. So it's for that. And this is the EasyEda library, whole library. You can like, if you need an LED, you can just type in and search for it. It'll give you thousands of results. You can see 999 plus, 999 plus, and they are available in literally any format you could ever want. Then comes the LCSC parts. As I told you, it's a supplier. If you order from JLC PCB, they can give you the parts pre-assembled at some cost, definitely. Then again, this clicking here will redirect you to the JLC PCB website. Yeah, so you can get your PCBs built from them if you like. Otherwise, there are many more. Then there's the support button.